Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Code Seekers. In this video we will learn how to download video from YouTube using Python built-in libraries. For this purpose the library we are going to use is pytube. Pytube is a lightweight Pythonic dependency-free library for downloading YouTube videos using Python. Now let's download the package. Open your Anaconda prompt in administrator mode. Run the command pip install pytube, pytube. Make sure that you enter correct spellings. Wait for a few moments to get the required package installed successfully. The package has been installed successfully. Now open your Jupyter notebook and create a new Python 3 file. And now let's start coding. From pytube, import YouTube function. To YouTube function, pass the URL of the YouTube video that you want to download. Here I am passing the link of one of my videos on YouTube. For the URL, write url.streams.first. It will fetch the first stream of the video and will download that. We can perform different filters on url.streams to download the required video in different formats and in different resolutions. To know about the filters, link of the official documentation of pytube is given in the description of this video. You can visit that to learn about more filters of this function. You can see the video link I provided has been downloaded in my directory. That's it. If you learned something new from this video, you like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel to stay updated about the new videos like this. Thank you.